Hello, I'm Susmita Siddhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a sunset eye makeup look for you guys. So I have taken this Makeup Revolution X Patricia Rich in Color eyeshadow palette, and this palette is really amazing. Like, I'll be telling you where I bought this palette and how much I paid for this palette. I'll be telling you everything detailed. So first let's unpack this eyeshadow palette. This comes in this type of box, and this is the palette. So the colors I'll be showing you. In mirror you can see my ring light, right? So the colors are these. Amazing, pretty, right? You'll have like violets, greens, reds, oranges, blues, like everything you can play with this palette. You'll have many colors. So first do the makeup tutorial. Yeah, let's start. So yeah, I have already applied concealer and powder for setting this, because if you apply just concealer and then dab the colors, then they will set into creases. You'll have many lines on your eyes, right? So that concealer will get stuck into your creases and the eyeshadow will not look good. So first, after applying your concealer, just dab some powder onto it so that you can play with the colors very easily on your eyes. So I'm taking first shade, that is this color. It's called Miss Tropicana. I'm taking this onto my crease, like above my crease. Just dab the color, okay? The next shade I'm taking is, I'm taking this shade over here and just apply it to the outer corner of my eye, like dab dab dab, and lastly we'll blend, okay? So if you don't have this palette, don't worry, but if you have a similar kind of shades, you can work with that even. Or you can create your own sunset eye makeup. There are no rules, right? Now we'll take the orange shade, that is Yes Peaches. This thing. Just blend this shade to the next shade so that there are no harsh lines between the two shades. So next one, I'll take a yellow vitamin C shade from this one. Sorry guys, my camera actually stopped recording, so what I have done is the steps which I followed here, again I have followed here, and I'll apply this yellow eyeshadow. So I'm taking this vitamin C. First press this yellow shade and then blend, like blend into the orange shade. Now again taking orange shade and I'm just making that colors pop more. I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm just blending these things. Like I want a lighter color fading out like above my crease. I want that shade to get faded, so you know, eyeshadow is totally about blending, then your eyeshadow really looks good. Now I'll be applying the yellow shining shade. This is called the Honey Pot to my inner corner. Now taking this white shimmery, like silver shimmery shade, I am applying it on my brow bone. I'll apply it with the fingers only. Correcting this. Yes, now we'll apply eyeliner. Like I'm taking a matte black eyeliner. You can take any matte black eyeliner. Very good if you apply a matte black eyeliner. And I'll put some mascara and also falsies. So I took this Lakme 95 matte black eyeliner, and the tip is very thick, so I don't want to take risk because I can't again apply this eyeshadow twice. So I took a thin brush. You know, applying eyeliner is a very big art. You need to practice to get that perfect wing. So I'll be applying falsies and eyeliner to this eye as well, and I'll come back. Guys, I actually forgot to apply this thing over here. Like I thought to apply these colors like here. Now I'll be applying and showing you. I'll apply it at the ends. So now I'll be applying this orange. So guys, I haven't copied this eyeshadow look from anywhere. Like I know what is sunset. I just saw the pictures and I just didn't see any tutorial. I am making my own sunset eye makeup look. If I will copy from others, I'll be telling that I am recreating their look. I am liking this look very much. Now we'll apply a lipstick. Like, don't apply a very bright lipstick, just apply a nude lipstick, because I want, like, you guys want your eyes to pop up, you want that sunset look, right? So don't pop your lips as well, just pop your eyes and then keep your lips nude. Now taking Incolor Baking Highlighter, I'll apply the highlight. This gold highlighter, you can take any gold highlighter you have, and I'll be applying this to my, like, to highlight my face. I did highlight my face. Now coming to lips. First I'll be outlining my lips with a brown lip liner. You can take any brown lip liner you have. Take a dark brown lip liner. I already swatched this lipstick in one of my videos. I'll be mentioning it below in the description box so that you can go there and directly see my nude lipsticks collection. Like, I don't have a big collection, but still I'll be showing you my favorite lipstick collection. Favorite nude lipstick collection. So now I want to talk about this eyeshadow palette. So this is the palette which was released by Patricia, who is on YouTube. So these shades are really pigmented, but you need to apply a concealer and a setting powder, or else you can apply a dry concealer which is not very creamy and then apply this eyeshadow. That will really pop up your eyes. And you can even apply a white kajal. Like, I think you need to set up with a setting powder, I think. Like, I applied just once with the white kajal, then also they popped the colors on my eyes. Among these, like, a yellow shade need to be buildable, because on like my skin tone girls, then the yellow color won't pop up. You need to build that color. And these are the pressed glitters. Overall, I'm liking this look very, like, I'm liking this look. I'm loving it. So what do you guys think? Do you like my look? Do you like these tutorials, and do you want more this kind of tutorials, or you want more of a product reviews? Please do mention it in the comment box. I am purchasing all the products with my own interest and with my own money, so I'll be giving my honest reviews on those products. And guys, you can take this palette, you can buy this palette from Hawk Makeup. It's the factory, like Hawk Makeup produces all brands, like Nykaa even purchases these products from Hawk Makeup only, but I got it from Amazon because on Amazon this palette actually they have a 30% discount. I got this palette for 1843, and the original price of this palette is 2800. Between that numbers, like it's pricey, but for the price this palette is amazing. So grab this palette if you want to buy. I'll be mentioning the link below. On Nykaa this is out of stock. On Amazon it is in stock. You'll have two variants, but buy this variant only. I like this variant a lot. And the white variant has a more of neutral shades, browns, pinks. These have all the colorful shades. If you like my video, please do mention it in the comment section, and do give a big thumbs up to my video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon and on the notifications to get latest updates on my videos. So yeah, bye.